Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is help guide you on finding the best cold wallet in 2026. So we're going to go over 3 cold wallets that I adore. These are wallets that I've been using for the past 2, 3, 4, 5 years. And compared to all the other ones, I keep reaching for these ones. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. If you guys get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what is your favorite cold wallet. So again, we are going to go over cold wallets. So specifically, these are hardware wallets. It is a device, a physical device that stores your private keys, and you as the owner gets to sign transactions. So instead of holding onto your crypto on an online exchange or on a hot wallet where those can be compromised, this is going to add another layer of protection. Okay. So on top of that, guys, in my opinion, I think we're gonna remain bullish for a little bit here. So as you accumulate more wealth, you're gonna want to protect that crypto, right? So guys, head over to the link tree. I have this link pinned in the comment section down below. It will give you links to everything regarding this channel and more, specifically where you can purchase some of these wallets, okay? So let's dive right in. And again, these are cold wallets, okay? This is going to give you the best form of protection. This is where I hold my Bitcoin, my Cardano, my Ethereum, stuff like that, okay? So the first one, very affordable. We're going to use a link tree. It is the Tangem Wallet. I just took that out of a traditional wallet, okay? So you got your wallet. This thing fits right in your wallet. And what I like about it is that it is small. It is cool. It's a little inconspicuous. It's very consistent and it works well with your phone. So to sign a transaction, you simply tap the back of your phone, put in your password, and you're good to go. So we have a bunch of videos on this. If you want to know how to set up a Tangem wallet, you guys can head over to the channel. So let me guide you a little bit here. So here you can go Tangem. 5 reasons Tangem is the best. There's also the Tangem Ring. So the Moose lost his. He's waiting on it. But I have a bunch of videos. So wallet setup, I recommend watching the how to send your crypto to your Tangem. That's a very good video. The unboxing videos, it gives you a first world look. And then, of course, the 2026 setup video, I would watch that. So just to make sure that you are setting things up properly, it's very simple, right? So it takes, even if you don't know what you're doing, it might take you 5 minutes to set up this wallet. And it's really cool. So that comes with a backup card, etc. So if you do want to get one, you guys can go to Linktree, click here on Tangem Wallet /ring. Okay. Use code Moose, of course. That will save you 10% off. Okay. So we'll let this load here for a minute. But guys, the 2-card set, I believe it's $50. It's like $49. $49. You get a 2-card set, 3-card set, safer, $62. And if you want the ring is great. Over $130. Well, it's on sale now, so free shipping, $135. The ring is fantastic, but I always help guide people on this because it's always with you, right? Same with the ring, very similar. But this wallet, I cannot say enough good things about it. It supports a wide range of crypto assets. You can now stake ADA, I believe Solana, other tokens as well. There's a lot of token support. There's Wallet Connect. You can connect to dApp. So if you're doing things like DeFi, if you guys want to get into yield farming, you can do that, right? If you're in early on a new, IPO project, you can do that as well. So it's really cool. So that's the number one recommendation. Tangem is incredible. They keep updating the app, and all you need is the card itself in your cell phone. So other wallets, you know, they're going to be a little bit different. So that's going to be number one. Number two, we're going to go with, well, this is going to be a little bit different, but one wallet that I use all the time. We're going to go here and we're going to click on Trezor. Okay. So Trezor has been around very long. I like what they have to offer. This is the Trezor Model T. It is discontinued, but they have obviously replaced it with the Safe 3, 5, and 7. So I want to go over those. But this wallet is awesome. Okay, so again, guys, use the link tree. It will help ensure you that you're not getting a compromised device. Obviously, we get a little kickback, beautiful. But I want to make sure that I get as much of you protected as possible. So here, if we go, let's go to products. You can see it right here. If you're on a tight budget, perhaps the Safe 3, okay, $120. These wallets, except for the 7, they're going to work via USB-C. So you have to plug it into your desktop. Okay, so that's why I also bring up the Tangem wallet, because if you want the Tangem wallet or ring, you only need your cell phone. So if you don't have a laptop, if you want to be more on the go, if you will, you're going to want to go with, you know, something like a Tangem, right? But these wallets are incredible. So, you know, depending on what you're doing, if you want to get into or hold specific assets, I mean, Trezor's been around the longest, I believe. So Trezor is always going to give you in the back of your mind, I have a pretty safe wallet, let alone the Safe 7. So the Safe 3 holds a bunch of different assets. I believe they all hold the same tokens, just different features. The Safe 3, beautiful. I have the device. The Safe 5, that's a wallet I set up for one of my buddies. This is basically the Trezor Model T. That's kind of how I view it. So, but even better. So there's haptic feedback, better security. In the Safe 7, the first quantum cold wallet. So that's one I'm waiting to review. Comment down below if you'd like to see that. I want to see it. So I think that'd be cool. Get the moose loose. So that's the Trezor Safe 7. Basically, we're eyeing out the Trezor Safe 5 if you can afford it, but if not, the Safe 3 is great. But again, keep in mind, unless you're getting the 7, which is over $400, you're going to have to plug these into a computer, okay? So that's going to be number 2. All right, number 3, okay? And we have a bunch of different wallets we talk about. These are the ones I go for most. This wallet, I love so much. This is the Ledger Flex. So here we're going to tap it. It's very unique. So it's got the OLED. I wonder if I even charged it. What a terrible job I did. So I feel bad for Ledger right now. But anyways, there's a cool image on there, and I've done a bunch of videos on this wallet specifically. So if we go to the channel, we're going to go to Ledger Flex. So guys, I've done an unboxing video. I've done a review on this wallet. I believe I did a setup video. There you go. How to set up. This should have more views. I mean, flat out. This wallet is expensive, but if you can afford it, it is one of the best. It just looks cool. It feels like you're a part of the future. So this one is $369, but if you are on a tighter budget, there is the S Plus, and then as well as the X. I recommend the X because it works via Bluetooth. Okay, so you have Bluetooth capabilities. We're all, like, let's face it, we're all living our lives through our phones for the most part. And if you're unable to use your phone, it's kind of a big hindrance. So that's kind of one thing you want to keep in mind. So with this device, it works via Bluetooth with your phone. But I would argue that the Tangem wallet's going to be better for that. So the only reason you'd really want to use this wallet is because maybe There is a token or two that isn't supported on the Tangem yet. But even then, like, guys, whatever wallet you go with, it's going to be a better option than holding on an online exchange. So if you do want to protect all of your assets, you're going to want to pick up one of these devices. So the X is nice. But of course, if you can get the Flex and you're flexing on everybody, you're probably even flexing on the Moose, if he's just, it doesn't even have his wallet on him. So these are all good options. It really comes down to your budget and what you want. I would say Tangem, affordable and just sensational with everything it does. And all you need is your cell phone for all their devices. That's just the card and the ring. And if you get the ring, you get backup cards. So yeah, I think Tangem just crushes it every time. So guys, comment down below what other content, videos you would like to see in the near future. So we're starting to roll them back out. 2026 is going to be a big year. Yeah, the market's crushing right now. So are we going to get an alt season? Cheers.